Hello guys, what is up? Mia's walking around in the kitchen so you can hear her nails. Let's try this again. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kate for those of y'all that don't know me. If you do, welcome back to my channel. This has been my thing lately, this natural light kind of thing, and I'm digging it. I don't know if you guys are, but I'm gonna keep doing it even though I really don't know what I'm doing with the side of it, but I'm excited for today. Not sponsored, but I found this like sparkling water. It's like blueberry pomegranate. It slaps. Like, this is some good shit. Okay, let's get into what the video is about. I'm all over the place today. I went to Walmart to go get some necessities during all of the craziness that is happening in the world. Yeah. And I ended up getting a lot of things that I didn't expect to get. Like, of course, I got a bunch of groceries, but then I went down a couple of aisles because I was already out and I was like, why the heck not? So I did that and I found some really cool stuff. So I went to Walmart and Target in 2 different days and I'm kind of shook at everything that I have. I'm looking at it right now and like, I'm excited to show you guys. So let's get into it. The first thing that I found at Walmart, I'm gonna start with Walmart and then move into Target, is this super cute snakeskin purse. Like, it is so freaking cute. Guess how much it was? $7. I think it was originally $11. Yeah, it was originally $10.88. So pretty exciting. I thought it was really cute, and I carry this like circle purse around everywhere with me lately, and it just is too, it's hard to carry it around because it's a little bit too big. Let's see. Yeah, this is perfect. You just throw it over your side if you're just, you know, wanting to carry your wallet and like your phone and like nothing else. This is perfect. Yeah, I like it. It also has 2 little pockets on the front. And they had it in a bunch of different styles and colors. They had solid colors, crazy patterns like this. I just am a big snakeskins girl, and if I was going out or something and I didn't want to carry a big purse, like $7, heck yeah, sis. And then I found a bunch of underwear. I'm not really gonna show you guys all of that, but all of their underwear that I found was 50 cents each. So I kind of like stocked up and got a bunch of it, and it's pretty good quality. I'm wearing some right now and I really like them, so they're just your typical underwear. If you like anything fancy, I wouldn't get it. Okay, next, y'all. I would never pick this up any other time, but guess how much this was? You got your answer in? You got your guess? Bro, this was $1. Literally $1. It is a size extra large, so it's gonna be really big on me. But I sent this to a couple of my friends, and my friend Kate told me I should crop it, and I'm kind of digging it. Look, it goes with the background perfectly. Like, that's so fun. I really do like it. And the sleeves are kind of like puffy, which are exciting. They're not like super narrow. And yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna cut it because it is like a knit material, but for $1, I want to go back and get all of them. There's only this one and then one with like a green bottom, but it's like a very like green, like green. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, for $1, there was like 6 of them, but they were all like these 2 colors. And so I snagged this one, and this is like the highlight of the haul. $1 for a piece of clothing, like, ah! And then lastly from Walmart is this super freaking cute belt. How cute and edgy is this? Like, I can just see it now. Okay, no, cool. I love that for me. Just think about it. Picture it with me. You're going out to a bar, but you're not like super fancy, but you want to look a little edgy. And then this is where you put this little strap in. This was $5. I always need belts. $5 for a black belt with a cute little bling on it? Like, yes. I was thinking about doing my makeup blue to go with this backdrop, but I kind of just went with Old Faithful because I always know that red is gonna look okay on my skin tone. I don't know. But okay, so the first thing that I got from Target are these 2 rolls of different things. This one is cello gift wrap. So it's actually like a see-through pink thing, like film. I saw a TikTok where someone used something like this, only it was more of like an iridescent, and then they like gave this really cool vintagey effect on the camera. So I might try this. This was $170 on sale, And I was like, okay, let's see what I can do with it. So I'll keep you guys posted. And then I got this. It's actually a table runner. And it's like a polka dot blue material. And it was $2.80. And I feel like this is gonna be really good for either I can put it on the backdrop and make it like that for one of my videos, or I can use it and cut it up and use it for flat lays. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do with it. I just couldn't pass it up because I feel like it's a good thing to keep in my like photography arsenal. Speaking of, I need to get like a bag to keep all of this kind of stuff together. On my to-do list. Maybe one day I'll do it. And then I went and raided that little dollar section area. They're not $1, but you guys know what I'm talking about at Target, in that front little area. They got all of their spring and Easter stuff out, and oh my freaking God, it's so cute. So I got this little tile, hanging tile that says hey there. I could make this so easily on my Cricut, but I don't know, it was $3. I don't feel like making one. So let's look at it. I'm here for this. This is so cute. And you guys know my office is like this kind of style, and so is my bedroom, honestly. If you guys haven't seen my room tours or my office tours, go check those out. They're really fun and really cool, and I'm really proud of my house right now. So little fun fact. Next thing I got over in that little section were little grow kits, and if you guys know me, you know I can't keep anything alive except for Mia somehow, but I really wanted to get these and try them out. I liked these little pots, and I just like the little grooves on them. This one's supposed to be a daisy, and then this one is a forget-me-not. And I figured this would be good to put on my windowsill because I do have like a really open area by my bed with a windowsill, and they get a lot of sunlight, maybe too much sunlight. I'm gonna have to look it up, but it's better to start from nothing than to buy a plant that's already alive and then kill it, right? No? Okay, please don't kill me in the comments. And then the last thing I got from that little section was this cute little card holder. It says, why can't every day be Saturday? And it was $3. Oh, the little plants were $3 each too. And then, let's see. So it looks like this. I used to have a bunch of these for like Kate Spade and stuff when I worked there. Oh no, the zipper is very broken. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it has a little back zipper on the back where you can put your change, and then you can put your cards in it in the front, and then why can't every day be Saturday? I wish it was plain so I could put something that I wanted on the front, but this way it won't fall off. So that was cute, $3. I needed a new one because mine is literally falling apart. And then last but not least, I got this little mini speaker for $5. It's a wireless speaker. It was originally $10, and it's by Heyday. In my photography video, what's in my photography bag video, I talk about one of these guys. I have a big JBL one, and it's really heavy, and when I carry my photography bag, it's like tiny. It's like that big. So if I'm carrying that around and I have a super heavy thing on it, like it just doesn't balance right. So this way I could have a little guy to take with me without it being super heavy. And my roommate Peyton has one of these, and she speaks highly about it. So this is the last colored one. All the other ones were gray, but I think this is fun. I really like it. Yeah. And you can like charge it. It's really, really lightweight. It comes with a little charging cord. Yeah, it's super lightweight. Yeah, I'm really excited. The other one's waterproof, which is cool, but this will get the job done, right? I like that. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video has like no rhyme or reason to it and whatever, but you know, a lot of stuff is on sale right now and I'm here for it. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you guys have any video ideas, comment down below. Please subscribe, it would mean the absolute world to me. I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye.